Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX setups for today. Now, we had a very strong rally this week and basically closed off with the green bar going into the close yesterday, well, into the US close. But again, we haven't had a decent pullback. Now, this big cup and handle and the small cup and handle are very much in play. We want a retest of 1900 for that to transpire. Challenge at the moment is a smaller cup and handle. It's not quite done. I thought it would have been done, but it's not quite done. So still some 100 points or so to go on that smaller cup and handle. The DAX is looking a lot stronger than what the S&P is looking at the moment. And if we just look at the charts at the moment, there's nothing above us. We're at all-time highs. There's no resistance above us. Strong green weekly bar. So I am of the opinion we're only looking to buy, but we do want to buy off structure. Now, this little pullback is offering the opportunity. We just need to find something on the lower time frame that's going to make sense. Now, obviously, 19050, if we get it exact, 19060, that was the previous high. That would be something you'd be aiming for. Lots of gaps to the downside, which would act as magnets. But I don't think that's what you're looking for today. Now, if we drill down to the hour, you can see there is a little bit of structure, which is also quite far down, and that's at 19176. So that would be the first opportunity I would be looking at the moment, and we'll look at the 15-minute to see if there's anything else that's going to show itself. Bear in mind that this trend line here from yesterday has broken. So you're definitely looking for structure lower down. Now, the 15-minute, we've actually gone through the 15-minute level. There's the 15-minute level at 19265. Oscillators are grouped to the downside, quite interestingly. So that's kind of the two levels I think we need to pay attention to. It's going to get rid of the diagonal because that is going to confuse us. There is a gap lower down. That's at around 19150. And there's even more gaps lower down as well, even a daily gap as well. So lots of magnets all the way down. I think what you're looking for is structure. So either we form a range here, and sort of range going into the close of the week, trying to defend that weekly bar, or we are going to pull back onto structure, and then the buyers are going to come back in going into the weekend. So I would be watching 19176, and a little bit below it you can see there are other fractals. There's also a gap. So 19146, 19150, 19176. That's the zone I'd be watching on the 15 minutes. If we don't get back down there, then what we're looking for is a recapture of 19265, build a base off that, and then just continue this strong trend to the upside. Bulls are going to want to close this on its high. They're going to want a really bullish bar. A reason for that is you've got a big inverse head and shoulders here, which you're breaking. So they're going to want to close above all the structure that I've given you now. And the bears are obviously going to want to make this into a pin bar rejection off the top to try and drive something to the downside. So I am definitely looking this morning at these levels. If we do find support at these levels, I would be looking for an opportunity to buy. If we don't find support at these levels, then leave it alone, wait for Monday, and we will pick it up again next week. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.